Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Runway AI for automated video generation workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Runway AI for automated video generation workflows, start by visiting the Runway website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on New Project to start a new video generation workflow. Select Video Generation from the project type options. Next, choose the template that suits your vision for the video. Upload your media files, such as images or video clips, if applicable. Input your script or any text content you want to include in the video. Customize the settings according to your preferences, including aspect ratio and resolution. Select the AI model you wish to use for video generation. Once all settings are configured, click on Generate Video to begin the automated process. Monitor the progress as the video is being created. After the generation is complete, preview the video in the editor. Make any necessary edits using the available tools. When satisfied with the final product, export the video to your desired format. Safeguard your project by saving it in your account for future access. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Runway AI for automated video generation workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.